Make meat like this next time. In a baking pan, add a drizzle of olive oil and spread it with a brush. Put 7 diced potatoes, 1 kilogram of diced meat. Before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Eight garlic cloves, half red bell pepper cut into strips, 1 diced tomato, 1 chopped onion, and stir to combine. Now in a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 5 cups of water, and stir to combine. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So write in the comments, "I love meat recipe." To continue, pour our mixture and spread all the ingredients. Rate our recipe from 0 to 10 to tell us if you like it. We would love to know. Next, add a drizzle of olive oil on top of everything and cover our dish with aluminum foil. Put it to the preheated oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Then, remove the foil and let it bake until golden brown. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back here to tell me how it turned out. I'd love to know. And now our recipe is ready. All you have to do is enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.